dealing with difficult clients. Now, this has not been a part of my story up until recently. I've been dealing with a client that I gave a really good deal to. They expected a lot. The project took way longer than it should have. When it's said and done, I probably made like $5 an hour. Excruciating, right? And this was the first time I had to deal with that in this business, dealing with a difficult client, which I still haven't even got paid for all the way. Thank God I got a deposit. I'm in control of everything. So if it comes to it, I can just take it all away. I don't think it's going to. I think I will get paid from this client. But this has led me to think of why contracts are important and why I should start doing contracts no matter what, because up until now, I've not done any contracts. Now I have a few templates ready to go. A lot of you guys have told me to do contracts, but I just haven't felt the need to. And I knew eventually the pain would get great enough and I would do something different, like have a contract. This is part of the course, right? Any business is going to deal with difficult clients, people not wanting to pay. So it's normal. It's normal for this to happen. And these are how we learn different things in our business and grow our business more, is by going through painful experiences that let us learn. The real question is, do we actually learn from it? Do we actually do something different? And even as I think about it, was the pain great enough that I'm going to continue to do contracts after this? If I'm going to be smart, yes. But knowing me, there still might be some times I don't do contracts. But I'm definitely going to have them ready to go. I'm definitely going to start using them more. And I don't know how much of a difference it would have made for right now anyways, just because I was going to do whatever I needed to do to make sure that that client was happy. I was willing to go above and beyond because I'm still growing my business. And while I have great weeks, I also have weeks that are not great. And it's important for me to make every customer really happy with what they got, to keep building my brand as a great web developer, as a good person to work with, and as someone that's trustworthy and will go above and beyond on what you are asking for. So even if I had a contract, I'm not even sure that it would make a difference. It could make a difference soon because, like I said, I still haven't even got paid the rest of the money, which I kind of need right now. You know, we just went through a traumatic experience. The last few weeks have been pretty slow and, you know, I need the money, but it's not like a make it or break it because, like you guys know, I sell a lot of my websites for pretty low cost anyway. So none of it's really that major. And if I was doing something bigger, I know I would do a contract. But when we're dealing with $1,000, less than $1,000, it almost seems like it's more effort than it's worth. But I don't know. It just got me thinking that we are going to deal with difficult clients, and that's okay. That's part of the game. Get used to it. It's just what it is, right? You do business with people that you don't get along with, you don't agree with, they want more than what you're expected. You just need to know when to walk away. And like for this one particularly, I was ready to walk away. And then I did one last thing. And I told myself, and I told my wife as well, like, if this does not work, I'm just going to refund the money and I'm finished with this, because you have to have that threshold set in your mind of like, when am I willing to walk away? And mean it. Like, I'm really ready to walk away. Like, I need the money, but my peace is a lot more important and my value is a lot more important. But I just want to update that with you guys, that if you're out there starting your freelancing business or any business in general, have your contracts ready to go. They're a good thing to put in place, and think of what is your cutoff line. When is it too much for you to continue? For me, this was the experience I needed. I'm probably going to need another one to really make a big change, but it's got the gears turning. So we'll see what happens. I'll talk to you guys later.